Ever wondered who's pulling the strings behind the curtain of your favorite app, the one that's revolutionizing the way you manage your money? Let's talk Lunar. You know, that sleek, modern app promising financial freedom. But who's the mastermind behind this digital empire? Let's dive in. Now, Lunar isn't just any financial app. It's a disruptor. It's challenging the traditional banking model, offering a fresh, user-friendly platform that's making waves. But who's the visionary who saw this potential? Who took a leap of faith and turned a concept into a thriving business? That's the question we're here to answer. Let's rewind a bit. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of Lunar's ownership, let's understand what the company actually does. Lunar is essentially a digital bank, but it's more than just that. It's a financial ecosystem. It offers everything from traditional banking services like transfers and payments to investment options, budgeting tools, and even insurance. It's like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket. So, who's the genius behind this financial super app? Meet Ken Willem Clausen. He's the CEO and the driving force behind Lunar. A tech entrepreneur with a passion for finance, Clausen had a vision to create a banking experience that was as intuitive and enjoyable as using your favorite social media app. And he's done just that. But Clausen didn't build Lunar alone. He surrounded himself with a team of talented individuals who share his vision. From tech experts to financial wizards, the Lunar team is a powerhouse. And while Clausen is undoubtedly the face of the company, it's the collective effort of this team that has propelled Lunar to where it is today. Now, ownership is a complex issue, especially when it comes to tech startups. While Clausen is the CEO and a significant shareholder, it's likely that there are other investors involved. Venture capitalists, for instance, often play a crucial role in funding startups. These investors provide the financial backing needed for growth and expansion. So, while Clausen holds the reins, there are likely other players who share ownership. It's important to note that the ownership structure of a company can change over time. Through funding rounds, mergers, acquisitions, or even initial public offerings, IPOs, the ownership landscape can shift dramatically. So, while Clausen is the current CEO and a major shareholder, it's possible that the ownership structure of Lunar will evolve in the future. But one thing's for sure, Lunar is a company to watch. With its innovative approach to finance and a strong leadership team, it has the potential to redefine the financial industry. And as for the question of ownership, while the details might be complex, it's clear that Ken Willem Clausen is the driving force behind this financial revolution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.